it's scrolling through Instagram until the early hours of the morning, tossing and turning to find the perfect position, or a work worry that just won't shift. Falling to sleep quickly is a skill we're yet to master. Hello, Internet people! Welcome back to How to Be, and before we go down to our new topic, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can access more of our videos. Spending more time trying to fall asleep rather than actually sleeping? You're not alone. Just the act of trying too hard can cause or continue a cycle of anxious, nerve-wracking energy that keeps our minds awake. We cover some science-based tricks to help you fall asleep as fast as 2 minutes. Are you guys ready? Let's start. Number 1. Relax all the muscles in your face, including tongue, jaw, and the muscles around the eyes. The second thing that you need to do is drop your shoulders as far down as they'll go, followed by your upper and lower arm, one side at a time. Once your muscles are all relaxed, we go to step number 3. Breathe out, relaxing your chest, followed by your legs, starting from the thighs and working down. And step number 4. Spend 10 seconds trying to clear your mind before thinking about one of the 3 following images. 1. You're lying in a canoe on a calm lake without nothing but a clear blue sky above you. Or you're lying in a black velvet hammock in a pitch black room. Or you say, "Don't think, don't think, don't think," to yourself over and over for about 10 seconds. Still not convinced? Well, the technique is said to work for a whopping 96% of people after 6 weeks of practice. See? Now you're interested. Time magazine reports that a study of 13 countries in 2016 showed that those living in the United Kingdom are the most tired, with more than a third of Brits feeling they don't get enough shut-eye. Women were found to be more affected by a lack of sleep than men, with 52% of females feeling they are too tired to exercise compared to 35% of males. Keep in mind that being able to relax physically and mentally, and thus being able to fall asleep at the drop of a hat, is a skill. And like all skills, you shouldn't expect to get the hang of it and have it work the first few times you try. You have to practice over and over again until you get better and better at loosening up and calming down. That doesn't mean you should work hard at trying to relax. That will just backfire and create tension. But you do have to practice this routine consistently. Did you like our newest video? Make sure to let us know through our comments. Be sure to tick the bell and subscribe to How to Be to access more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.